New key visual for Infinity Castle drop. There's been a few of them. I haven't drawn Demon Slayer in ages because there hasn't been much. But I copped serious. Copped means I noticed. It might be an Irish phrase, copped. But we noticed serious Zenitsu in the back. And if I see serious Zenitsu, I draw serious Zenitsu. It's cool. It's a good pose. He looks angry. Can't wait. July, I think. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So his head's in 3/4 pose. He's kind of looking down, sort of very dejected sort of look. Right. Large eye. Demon Slayer eyes. Haven't drawn Demon Slayer in so long. Let's give it a go. We can do it. Believe. Curve. Very flat. Serious. Spiky eyelids. Right, and then so this sort of spikes that way, quite dark now, and then this comes down to the bottom of that little eyelash down there, and they could have like an extra little one going that way, and then you just color black. So his bottom eyelid is kind of just like a little sort of stretched out kind of V. Sort of that's the way Demon Slayer tend to do it anyway. And he has like some stress lines around his eyes. Just tidying up some of that. Right, and then his sort of his like half circle sort of iris. Come down like so. And then his pupil sort of going around this way. And I think with Zenitsu, they kind of cut his pupil in half. So it kind of goes across there. But then there's like just like real dark shadow up under here. Is that right? I've got to check that. Sorry. That's how it looks anyway. Can't remember. Yeah, they do, sorry. They have a half circle and then another brown sort of line on top then. So it's just like sort of hatching lines kind of just inside his eye like this, and then some on top, right? It's kind of done that way. Right, and then, so he's got like an eyelid line just on top here. Downturned, sort of like that. Another little one there. And then he's got those sort of spiky eyebrows. So we go there. And then we just spike there. Goes underneath his hair a little bit, but we'll just draw it in. It comes down that way. And then there's just like some texture lines on the eyebrow here. You can do more than me, of course, if you want. Like more texture. Okay. And that's that eye. His other eye, because we're in 3/4 pose, is behind his nose. So to do the nose, we'll go diagonal here. And then it comes out. And then a little square end. They do leave a little gap there in Demon Slayer, so if you want to do that, you can. But then it comes down there, and they do a bit of a shadow in here. Like they make that a bit darker. Then nostril. So his other eye's smaller because it's in 3/4 pose, so it's like 3/4 the size of this, you know. Right, so say the eyelash would go that way. And it kind of angles up a bit more because his head is turned away. It's kind of an optical illusion, sort of. Right, so dark eyelash. Colored black. Bottom eyelid. And again, some sort of stress lines around his eye. He's stressed out. And then eye, it's kind of skinnier than this one because it's turned away. You know, it's kind of squished a bit more like in. This one's kind of wide like that. And this one will go like in a bit. And then we'll do that sort of half pupil shape. It's like a circle sort of cut in half, like half moon or something. And then he's got some hatching just underneath his eyelash there as well. I need to blow my nose. Sorry about the sniffles. His nose joins his eyebrow, and it kind of goes underneath hair, right? So I'll just leave a gap here. Kind of disappears underneath his hair. So I'm not going to close this off. You can if you want, but you just have to raise stuff. But I'll just add some texture sort of there. Like you could, maybe I will. So I'll draw it in, but it does disappear. Like underneath hair, but I'll just draw it in anyway. We can erase it afterwards. So his mouth real serious. So we go just see underneath like this point of the nose. It's not like equal with it because the curve of his head goes that way. Curves around. Head is a curved object, so it's not like straight, like he's looking forward. So this just goes this way. Right, and if you're looking for that sort of Demon Slayer accuracy, you could like make this middle bit a bit thicker. And then we have that little diamond under here. And then the chin. So you can see that curve now. So because we're in 3/4 pose, we see his cheek on this side and his jaw on this side. So jaw is kind of easier. So we'll just go this way. And you're kind of like underneath the edge of his eye for when it like turns up for his ear. Okay. It goes like, meow. And like his earlobe will be sort of there. So his cheek sort of bends out and then around his nose like that. And you can make these lines thicker sometimes in Demon Slayer. They like to make some edge lines darker sometimes. And then it's just hair all here. Then his ear, the rest of his ear just curves around like that. And again, it's all his flat square sort of fringe lines, basically. So let's do those. So let's just start at his ear, I guess. Start adding all these Pieces of hair. And I'll just put in some ear lines here. Keep going. And this kind of bumps around that way, but I'll just fill in all these first. So this is the part that covers its eyebrow. And then some coming out here. There's no sort of trick to this. I'm just copying it as best I can. You know, you just do these flat, square pieces of hair. They kind of just stick out in various little ways onto his cheek here. It's kind of like layered up, you know. Okay, that's like the first layer. There's all stuff at the back as well. Yay. So let's go up there. Oh yeah, and his fringe, where does that go? Like here. Bumps up, comes down. These are like heavy lines. Joins that. Some of the textures coming out of there. And then I think the back of his head just kind of bumps around this way. Doop, doop, doop. And then there's like a layer that comes down here. And let me go that way. There. Lots of this now. I'm trying to go all the way to like underneath his earlobe. Okay, we got there. So, right, so texture lines, and boom, boom. Lots of this on the front end of these hair spikes. So just on each sort of one here. Okay, more or less that's his hair. So he's got a round collar. There. And we got like a neck muscle. And maybe like front. And then the back of the neck just there. And then his collar. And the collar of his yellow, what do you call them? Kimono in Japanese. And then the white collar comes down. Center of it has like some lines that divide it a couple of times. And then there's a tied button section here. Oop. Little pocket sticking out. The other side of his chest. And shoulder. And shoulder. Again, so like this side is much smaller than this side because it's turned away from us. You know, like say from the edge of his shoulders to there is probably half the size of here to here. You know, so roughly speaking, like, yeah, it is pretty much. So like to the button, say, to the edge of his shoulder goes once, twice, and you roughly hit like his other shoulder there. And then there's, you know, folding lines like so. And then we just add like a few of those triangles. Rightio, guys. Serious Zenitsu in Infinity Castle. Cannot wait to see it. Oh, it's going to be epic. See you in the next one. Bye.